Welcome back to Earth and Bloom, guys and gals. Today we're gonna try to do a little woodworking, I guess you could say. We're gonna try to put together a small firewood stand for bundles. Sunny out here. Put together a small stand for bundles and some firewood for on the road when the gates are closed. But to do that, we're gonna go salvage some fences. Take a few fences apart. Use some good lumber from that, because all the fences here, the people put them in poorly. And we don't have horses, so let's get to that, and we'll see what we can slap together. The easiest way of pulling fence posts. Just have a chain on the back of your forks. Then you can stack them as you go. Alright, let's bring this to the shop. See what we can come up with. Nail gun. As you know, I don't like screwing things, so we'll nail things. We got 2.5 inch. Might have to find some bigger ones. Well, of course, the 3.5 are at the bottom of the pile, but we got 4 strips. 6 feet, a foot off the ground. 6 feet at the front will do. Alright, we got that load of wood dealt with. Just a small load of some maple and black walnut. But it all burns. Board. Right into here. Into here. Round it now. All right. There you go. One more. Alright guys, got all coffeeed up, got you a new battery, and I did some pre-cutting, so now we just need to kind of nail everything back on, kind of show you where we're at. So these are all the roof pieces going across, and we'll put shingles on, match the house, and then those are the back pieces going sideways up. These are the side pieces, 3 verticals. We gotta get the table saw out, strip them down a little ways. Then it's pretty simple. We'll put a shelf or piece on the inside, and those drop on the inside. So they're on the inside, so it'll look nice. And those pieces are for that side. And then I think we'll engrave bundles there. We might have enough room for kindling. Then we'll weld up, once we get this all thrown together, we'll weld up a money box of some sort. Give that a go. Alright, well I kind of lied to you. The batteries are still kind of dead. But we should have enough to get there. I know it means looks like this might work. Inch and a half. Woo! I'm thinking about that. There we go. Not bad, guys. Sometimes you get lucky. That one. So that's the roof finished up. Now we'll get this side on. This one. Alright, who measured this one? You guys measure that? Yeah, great. No, I'll have to rip that one back down. So let's get the other side on. We'll do the floor. You guys don't need to watch the other side. I'll show you how I'm doing the floor here. So I'm laying these boards flush like that, but longer boards, of course. So these ones are just going on the sides, kind of to support the top. And I got the one for that in the center. Just kind of going on the fly with all this. I got no plans. Put a nail on this side. Nail on this side. Very good, very good, very good. Inside, but so much more on the outside. You gotta do a little more intricate. Right there. You gotta do a little more things. Shots. Good. I know it's not breathing. This will be just a support. Okay, there we go. Come on. Just like that. And then we'll get the back side. Now we use a hammer. Close. Pretty much loading it. There we go. That's it. Alright, now I'll show you what I'm talking about. Close. Might be a real hammer. So these kind of sit flush. So you get an inch. Just like that. Alright, we basically got her done. I just need to put some shingles on the roof. Those won't take very long. And I gotta engrave some signage for it, so we'll get that done. We'll put it by the road. Put 2 bundles in there so you can kind of judge the size wise. So I think I can get four across and at least 2 high. If we have 8 in there, I think that's all you need. But we'll see if we have to go up 1 more row. We can always take out this board too if I want to stack it higher, and so on. And the other idea is to put a lean-to on right here, just a shorter version of this, just to put 3 bundles of kindling, just to give them the option. Here's the back side, open for airflow. Sides are closed off so driving rain doesn't hit. That's that. We'll see how she does. We'll weld up a quick cash box. I'll show you guys that too when we get to it. Probably be tomorrow night. But thanks for sticking around with us on this build. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next one.